important question will be answered. Which pencil will the great artist Slime Sam, that's me, use to make the first line? This one? No. This one! No. Better use this one. Oh, it looks like this important question won't be answered. Poor artist Slime! Oh, I need to eat something. Right, yes. There was one cookie left. Why is everything so high? Where's my little cookie? A cookie and a chocolate? This is good, of course, but what should I eat?
Hey, Sammy, check this out. I want to sew a plush toy, but I can't decide which color it should be. Sammy, come on, get up.
Don't do that again, all right?
I didn't know you had such a problem with choices today.
I can't even help you choose the color for the future toy!
Oh, cheer up. I think I know what to do. We'll make a two-sided toy so we won't have to choose a color.
Oh, this is interesting.
We'll make a little penguin out of the blue sock. And the chocolate brown sock will make an adorable owl.
Animals? From socks?
Yes, it'll be fun. Will you help me?
Only if I don't have to choose anything.
Nope. First, bring me an empty bottle.
Will do! Right. Okay, where are they? In here, I think. Okay. And, which one should I take? Green, red, green, red, green, no red, green, yes, no, red, okay, this one. What's that? Snow? Susie?
I'm a future penguin, and I need snow!
I see. I'll just leave the bottle here.
It's just stuffing for the future toy.
Oh, I thought I was seeing things.
Sammy, tell me, what unites a bottle and a fluffy sock?
I
need them to make a plush toy.
Very funny.
Hey, Sammy, can you get me my sewing kit?
From the shelves?
Yep.
Sure, of course. It feels like I'm an errand slime today. Okay, up. Carefully now. Aha! Here's the kit. Let's grab it and go! Oh! Hey, this looks like cotton candy.
No, Sammy, it's just stuffing.
So fluffy!
And now I'll pull the second sock over it, like this. There. Now I'll cut away the excess. Remember to be very careful with the scissors, as usual.
So, did you know that teddy bears were one of the first plush toys?
Oh, I guess that's why it's so popular.
Well, now there are lots of different plush toys. Guys, which is your favorite plushie? Take a photo of it and share it with us.
Look, Sammy, I sewed the edge. Now nothing will fall out.
It looks cute, but it doesn't look like anything.
Well, that's why I've cut out additional parts from the white sock. Let's place one here and another one there. I need to sew them like this, but be very careful with the needle.
Would it be possible to make beads not look like candies?
What do you mean?
Well, I always think you have some candies on your table, but then I get this unpleasant surprise.
You mean these candies? These are eyes for the toys. I'll sew them on the owl.
Oh, sewing is so complicated. definitely not for me.
But you are great at painting! Done! Sammy, what are you doing? What do you need the brush and pastels for?
You'll see! I may not be good at sewing, but I can decorate, and this little owl doesn't have one important part.
Like this?
Like what? I can't see through your hand.
Give it a try.
I can't!
Here.
A little beak!
I'll sew it on and done.
And a little bit more. And here.
Oh, Sammy, what are you doing?
Making it pretty! Adding the final touches to our owl.
Oh, this looks so great! What did you use?
Crushed pastel and a brush.
Cool! And our owl is done! And now... Ta-da!
Oh, a penguin! Do it again! Do it again!
Sure thing! Sammy, which one should we do next? A kitty or a panda?
Oh, choosing again!
Oh, poor Sammy. Guys, did you like this idea? Give a thumbs up if you did, and let's get it to 2,000 thumbs up to support Sammy. Maybe it'll make it easier for him to decide on the next craft. Bye!